Meet the Jetson One, flying car. Was that an Ariel Atom that flew into the air? Unfortunately, everyone's favorite tiny manufacturer in Somerset has not yet entered the field of flying automobiles. A single-seat electric hovercraft inspired by motorsports, the Jetson One is equally as exhilarating. It's said that Jetson has sold out its full 2022 output and another 100 have been ordered for delivery in 2023, the pioneering business behind the Jetson One. More than 3,000 people have pre-ordered a one-person eVTOL from the Swedish company since the machine first went on sale in October last year. The aluminum space frame and carbon-kevlar body of Jetson's One, a single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle, weigh just 86 kilograms. It has a maximum speed of 63 miles per hour and a flying duration of 20 minutes thanks to its 8 electric motors. Orders for the Jetson One have come in from all across the globe, making it one of the first personal eVTOL vehicles manufactured. The firm's website displays the buyer's home state or area, and it seems to be especially popular in California and the Middle East. Covent Garden in London seems to be one buyer's preferred location for their new house, though. It's time to keep an eye out for the sky over the Royal Opera House. By hiring new staff during the year of 2022, the company expects to grow its business. We need to locate the proper investors right now as we develop and build our firm. Founded by Thomas Patton, the firm's co-founder and CTO, Jetson is searching for a business that shares its mission. Initially, the Jetson One costs $92,000, £67,525, with a $22,000 payment, and should be delivered by the end of the year to the first customers who place an order for one.